Hey everyone! Do you wish you could make your own natural, affordable night cream that works just as well as the expensive products? Well, you're in luck because in today's video, I'm going to show you my easy, homemade night cream recipe that will leave your skin feeling soft and nourished overnight. Coconut oil contains fatty acids and antioxidants that moisturize, fight aging, and support healthy skin regeneration overnight. It sinks in well and won't clog pores. 1. Vitamin E oil, a powerful antioxidant that repairs damage, fades scars, spots, and boosts collagen production. 1. It also provides deep moisture to combat dryness and scaling. 2. Shea butter intensely hydrates skin and locks in moisture thanks to its high fatty acid content. 2. It softens skin and has an anti-inflammatory effect to calm irritation. The combination of these nutrient-dense ingredients offers both immediate moisturization as well as long-term skin rejuvenation. Coconut oil tackles aging, vitamin E repairs damage and evens tone, shea butter provides lasting hydration. You can also customize the formula with other skin-friendly ingredients. Honey to soothe acne and inflammation. Aloe vera to calm sensitive skin. This 3-ingredient night cream is the perfect solution if you want to avoid chemicals on your skin or just save some money. The main ingredients, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and shea butter, are all natural moisturizers that are readily available. I'll explain exactly how to mix together the right portions of each ingredient to get the ideal creamy texture. Coconut oil has antioxidants to fight aging and skin damage. Vitamin E repairs skin and gives you a youthful glow. Shea butter is an intense moisturizer that softens skin. Once it's blended together, just smooth the night cream gently onto clean skin and wake up to skin that looks and feels incredibly soft. The best part is that it takes just 5 minutes to whip up a batch. And it lasts for months when stored properly in an airtight container. I'll also give tips on customizing the formula if you have oily skin or want to address specific skincare concerns like acne or dark spots. You can tweak it by adding ingredients like honey, aloe vera, essential oils and more. So if you're ready to make your own all-natural, nourishing night cream at home, keep watching and I'll demonstrate how quick and easy it is. Not to mention how well it performs compared to expensive store-bought creams.